sakit ng katawan. Upload ko na yung ano. Wow. Akala yung freezer bag.
No. Let's not make it hard.
Pupunta sila dun sa golf shop. Guys, dito na kami sa Mount. And kanina, naputol kayo. Yung mga boys, susunod sila dito sa amin after ng class ni Holly, mga 5. Kasi spend na nila yung gift card na binigay sa kanila nung Christmas ng family. And yung shop na yun, yung golf shop, malapit lang kung saan nag-order si Jan dati ng, sabi niya, mala Italian na pizza. So, yan. Susunod sila dito. And kanina, hindi nag-start yung car kasi nawawala yung susi. Hindi ko mahanap. Nandun pala siya sa ano, sa tawag nun? Doon sa bag kung ginamit nung nag-swimming si Holly. Pero, ayun. Nakinaban lang ako. Natakot ako na at least nahanap ko rin. And mag-stop muna ako dito sa Baker's Delight. Tulog si Holly. Ayun. Stop muna tayo dito sa Baker's Delight kasi kuha ko ng tinapay. Ako ng tinapay. Si Holly tulog. Ayan, oh. Ayan siya, oh. Tulog siya. May oras pa naman, may 12 minutes pa naman kami. And yung bakery. So, ito na yung mga sliced bread. Baba! Wake up, Baba! Come on, Baba! Hindi pa naman tayo late. And excited daw siya. And dito kami sa Hive. Excited na naman siya. Go, Baba! And gusto niya lagi nakadress siya pag nagda-dance siya. Slowly. Baba, ready? Go. See ya. You have to look. Teacher. Okay. See ya. Love you. Okay. Good luck. Okay, go. Okay. Remove your shoes there, Baba. Go. Go. Hurry up. Okay. Ganito kami lagi. Oh, ang tagal niya magpaalma. Okay, go, Baba. Go, they're sitting there now, Baba. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on, they're gonna close the door. Okay, go. Hurry up. Ayan si Holly.
You know it's Will Smith.
It's been a day. We gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, yeah, wings of gold. We touch the sky, the beaches till we die. We so fly. Show how we get down. It's been a night. We know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I've been looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, swearing cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snatched. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at.
Good job, Papa. Wow, you got stars. Good job. Naglalakad kami ni Holly across dito sa may Aldi kasi nandito na yung mga boys. Ayun yung car ni Jan nakapark na doon. No? Kasi nga, di ba, i-claim. I-spend na nila yung gift card nila. Ayan si Holly. Careful, Baba. Okay. Ito yung car ni Jan. Oh. Nandito sila sa shop na to. And ayun yung pizza, oh. Cosmopolitan pala. Ayan, yung dala ko. Hi! Ang labo. Ha? Not yet. You just got here? So, ito yung kay Sak na voucher. Mayroon siyang $100 na i-spend dito. Oh. Yours, Kuya? Same lang naman sila, $100. So, wala ka pa napipili. Si Kuya raw nakakuha na ng mga golf balls. Mitingin sila ng baggy. Para kay Kuya, pero hindi pa naman bibili.
That stays there.
Dinidemo niya lang.
Turn around and the bag can go down further. So that bar there can undo.
You should get the one with the chair, Han. Ah, that's too big. Gusto ni Kuya. You only have $100 to spend.
120.
120. Oh, kasi meron pa siya dun sa napanalunan niya sa Bay, sa Portmap. Kuya. Gusto ni Kuya.
Whereas all the junior
Nag-iisip siya. Kasi maganda nga. Compare dun sa ginagamit ni Kuya. And meron siyang lalagyan ng drink.
What sort of drink are you gonna put in that?
Any. And
You wouldn't even get a can in there.
balls.
Put a Powerade in there.
Tingnan mo. Yung luma ni Kuya, kay Sak mapupunta. Sinasabihan na siya ni Jan. Zach, is that alright, right? Zach? Ito okay lang naman to, yung mga luma sa kanya. Kasi wala namang gagamit.
the new
Meron pang isa, oh.
handle down. That's who goes.
That's solid.
Wow. So,
So you have his other one with the wheel at the front.
kinakausap niya muna si Isaac. Is that alright, Zach? Hoy. Is that alright? Go buy something. So, are you gonna get that one, Han? No, kukunin niya yan, oh. Gusto niyang bilhan si Zach ng sapatos. Kasi si Kuya, diba last time, meron si Kuyang nabili dun sa pinunta namin last time na competition. And napunta naman kay Zach yung luma. So, parang nag-guilty ang daddy. Gusto niyang bilhan din si Zach. Try on, Zach. Kasi bibilan si Kuyang ganun, oh. Yung junior baggy. Tinatanong siya, kamusta yung dance? Yeah.
Ladies, sit down.
And high?
Hi. Yeah.
Is it fit?
My daughter's at MJ. She's there right now.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That's
It's perfect, Han?
So we end covered at the end, not on the top. Yeah, where is it? There.
I reckon it's been tight. It's about poke the toe up in the air for me.
Kasi ang bilis.
Push the toe up.
Go like this, Zach. Kasi ang bilis lumaki ng mga paa nila. Is that alright? Nice, Zach.
Yeah, you'll get a couple of them.
So, is that one?
You want them?
You want that? Okay.
Cool.
Cool. What do you
We
want?
got left one.
That one there.
Super soft?
What do you want?
Callaway?
You got time? Give me a look.
Nahihirapan na naman siya mag...
Pick a brand.
Yeah.
Which
How
one do you
about
like the most?
go to the red ones?
These ones are good. What do you want coloured?
What do you think? You don't like red? Ang tagal niya makapag-design.
Go with something a bit like this.
Blue.
There.
White?
That one comes in yellow as well.
Do you want yellow? White. Gusto niya talaga white.
That's exactly
Ayaw niya
the
ng
same
red.
ball. That's in a slightly bigger ball.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
They're really,
So thank you.
Thank you.
well done.
Abono pang daddy sa gift card nila. Kuya! Ayun kay Kuya, 100. Pero abonado si daddy.
Nice park.
Si Kuya, andun lang siya, oh. Wow! Good job, Kuya. Lucky, Kuya. Ayan. There's no pink. Naganap siyang pink ball. No pink here, Baba. Unboxing, guys. Bagong bagi ni Kuya. Wow.
There you go.
Is it green or the same?
It's the same colour.
Ah, the same color. Okay.
They're all black.
Wow! What you gonna say? Say it. What you gonna say?
Good job.
Can hear you. What's that say?
Right, you can't hear it.
Thank you. Yan, tapos na kami dito. Yung pizza, sarado sila guys ngayon Wednesday. Bukas sila magbubukas. Ayan, sarado ang business. Come on, Baba. So, maghihiwalay na tayo. So, what we gonna eat, Han? Ha? Ay, no, ang saya niya.
Got 2 buggies there waiting to try and get rid of.
2 baggies.
Yeah, well, 2. He's
Oh.
got his. No.
One for...
How many buggies have we got? No. Lose it.
Where are we gonna go, hon?
We're going to
Valley Lake Pizza?
Huh?
Where are we gonna go? Domino's on...
No.
Domino's. Nag-park kami somewhere, pero hindi ko alam kung saan siya. Where are you gonna get the pizza, hon? Tara!
All-Star Pizza.
Ito yung binibilihan nila na yung malaking box. Nakikita nyo na yun sa IG story. Pagkasama namin sila, yung family ni Sophie. Dito sila dumiretso. Oh. I don't have money. I don't have coins. No. You have one?
How much is it again?
$2 or $1?
How much again?
$1. Ayan. Nagpapalit si Jan. Okay, go. Start.
This way. Don't go press and go automatic.
Gusto niya rin. We don't have money now, Baba. Ayan, parang nasa edge saka-saka. Oh, go, go! May truck kasi natatawag si Sa. Oh, go around, kuya. Oh. Ayan na yung tatay, naglaro na rin. Huwag yung makakuha niya dito. Alam mo kung ano nangyayari dito. Ayan, no? Hanggang sa taas.
Did you get up?
I know. Game over. Hindi siya na. Top. Nagugulat siya pag nababangga. Tapos na. That's it. Ang masaya. Tawa kayo ng tawa ni Jan kasi si Sam. No more. That's it. Naghanap si Jan na $1 ulit. Go change it. Magpapapalit ulit si Jan na $1 kasi maganda. Tawa kayo ng tawa ni Jan kasi lalo na to. Nagugulat siya pag nababangga. Okay, round 2 sila. Ayan na, ayan na. Gigil na gigil si Sako. Tingnan nyo, hindi siya masyadong makaupo kasi ang layo ng accelerator. Kasi maliit si Sake. Yung si Kuya, oh. Cool lang si Kuya. You alright, Kuya? Oh. Wala, masisira yun yan. $2. That's enough. Tapos na. I need money daw. Ayan na yung pizza. And si Jan gusto niyang mag-order ng dessert. Are you ordering dessert? Sabi na, hindi na raw. So what are you getting? What are you... Bahay na kami guys. And ayan si Jan. Nauna na siya. Ito yung pizza. You have sore headache. Hawaiian pizza and chicken barbecue. So, kain muna kami, guys. Ito na lang yung natira sa pizza. And si Kuya tsaka si Sak, sabi nila, ito na lang daw yung lunch nila bukas. So, tigdalawa sila. Isang Hawaiian tsaka isang chicken barbecue. Binalot ko sa cling wrap yung pizza kasi pag linagay ko dito, baka ma-absorb ng paper yung sauce. So, ayan, tigdalawa sila. Ito kay Kuya. So, ayan, tapos na yung lunch nila para bukas. Ilagay ko lang sa loob ng bag. Itatry nila yung bagong baggy ni Kuya. Oh, busog si Jan. Nagbe-burp. Ayan, unboxing sila. It's not green sack, it's black. I-assemble pa nila yan.
Mine's so little.
Because your golf bag is little sack.
You're only gonna add this, that's it.
Ilalagay si Holly sa box.
Good.
Hala, Baba. See ya!
No, silly. Jump up and say surprise.
Surprise
Go.
jump.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go. Jump! Surprise! Pasimuno ang daddy. Oh, si Sak may inggit. 1, 2, 3, jump! Surprise! Oh, di ba? Nainggit yung mga kuya. Last one. Okay. Nainggit yung mga kuya. Careful lah, careful. You have...
Give me a hand.
Lift him, Dad. Ikaw may pasimuno niyan eh. You're too big, kuya. You're too big. Alis yan, Papa. Alis yan. That's enough. You're too big, Baba. Alis yan, Baba. Sorry. Okay, go. Si Sak. Okay, Sak. Jump, Sak. Jump.
Straight up and down. You can do it.
Jump, Sak.
Straight up and jump straight down. Keep go. No, not like that.
Jump. Come on, hurry up. Jump. Jump. Natakot. Alis dyan, Baba. Alis dyan.
Together, put it in a knot. Get off! I can't get off!
Go, Sakiri. You alright? Oh, it's alright. It's alright.
Don't fall!
It's your fault, Daddy. No, that's enough. That's enough. Nasaktan siya, guys. Meron siyang natamaan siya ng cardboard dito. Pero lang, parang narab lang yung skin niya. Pero hindi naman ganun ka. Patingin, Baba, where is it, kuya? Diyan, namula. It's alright. You will be okay, hug. And ayan na yung...
Yeah, that one, TJ. That's the one you can help stand up.
Sinisisi niya yung daddy niya. Who's fault, Sak? No, daddy. Ayan na.
That's my car.
Linagyan niya na ng balls. Yung may lalagyan kasi siya ng bola, oh.
That's sandbar.
We'll just put a little bit.
Sand bucket.
Put a little bit down.
When you're a bit bigger, I'll buy you that one, okay?
No, when I'm older than he could have this. You got a bowl. No.
I'll buy him a new one next time.
What was that?
It's all.
A bit under.
Let me see na.
From something.
Namula siya, oh. Meron din na lalagyan ng umbrella yung ni kuya. Ito ba? Para sa umbrella, oh. Ay, hindi ko lang makita niya. Ayan, lalagay na ni kuya. Kasya yan. Nice, kuya.
Could loosen it up.
Oh, lagyan ko ng Okay na si Sak, oh. Lagyan ko yung tama niya. Come on. Mapula lang naman. Mapula lang naman eh. Hindi naman na... Ayan, oh. Pula ba? Ayan, oh.
I'm gonna hit my head.
Where? Did you? But not that hard. Come here, wait.
It was hard.
It was hard. But are you okay now? Stretchable yung yung panlock.
Very fast.
Huh?
We did that one.
Yeah, just go to the
That's good. Nice.
So, I'll go have a go to
Look, your towel on the ground now.
Let me see.
Okay. This is just...
Nice, kuya.
Undo those.
Ando na si
Is
kuya.
it my front wheel meant to turn?
Nah. No,
Dad,
they don't
why?
turn.
You like it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Inside, come on.
Di ba okay na si
Oh,
Sak?
I want a drink.
May sinasabi si Sak. What's that, Sak?
You got your glove?
Kuya, what's that? Sabi niya, every time daw may bago si kuya, ang napupunta raw sa kanya is yung mga marurumi na ni kuyang nagamit.
What's this?
Totoo naman nga. Kasi wala naman kasing gagamit. Kasi okay pa naman yung mga ni kuya, yung mga pinaglumaan. Kaya tingnan mo ang daddy, oh.
Bigger money, only.
Diba?
What you got the neck?
Inalikan niya yung neck na may cream. I put cream, Han. What balls did you get, Kuya? Tightless?
You see? You see?
Sak, yours tightless as well, right? Saki boy? Ayan, Footy soon. Is it soon, honey? Is it?
Wait, this week, I think.
Well,
No? Mag-start na yung food. Ang bilis lang. Yan si Sak, oh. Sinusukat niya yung kanyang shoes. Ang ganda kaya.
Dad, this week.
Oh.
Dad!
Foot joint, right, Sak?
Dad!
See? Alright.
Oh, I'm not sure.
And that one pa, Baba, oh. Clean up, Baba. Good girl. And watch the cardboard, Baba. Baka matamaan yung mukha mo niyan. Si Sak kasi tingnan mo. Namula talaga. You have to wear socks, Sakari. Feel weird daw eh. Wala siyang, ano eh, medyas.
I feel like it's all white.
It's nice. Where are you going, Baba?
Let's play this outside.
Wait for Daddy. Daddy will do that. Yes.
No, I am.
Yes.
Dad,
Yeah.
Look, I am falling asleep.
Yeah, you're stronger. But let Daddy do it, okay? And see, there's a plastic there, Baba.
Look at me.
Yung dalawa busy dun, oh. Ito naman busy dito sa kanyang sapatos. Oh, here pa, Papa, oh.
What's the scissors that has?
you know where you're breaking?
You have no knowledge. Did Holly go
Can get
get
some socks and put on, Zach.
Dad? Did
Yeah,
Holly-
get the
did
socks.
Holly- Dad.
Kanina pala hindi na ako nakapag-exercise kasi sobrang sakit ng aking ano. Ito ba dito sa side na to?
Huh?
At saka itong leg sakit. Ayan na si Zach. Well, it's new. It's new.
Because it's new. You let them work in. Don't
That's
let-
right,
don't
it's
whip
new.
it on you, mate. That's not about. We're not running the race.
It's not about for running.
It's not running a race, right? So you're not going to be fasting.
That's right.
Yes! This one even changed.
Yeah. You go walk on the grass with them
What?
because you'll feel the difference.
Pinapanood niya si Zach kasi, di ba? Trinay niya yung sapatos na ilakad sa grass. Pero sabi niya tumatakbo raw.
Come here.
No, I'm okay here. It's cold. What happened?
It's not toasty.
Ano? May sinasabi siya.
My boat fell away. I hit it fell away and then hop in the fence.
Wow, the pink one. Andun sila, nag-hit na sila dun. Mayroon silang binili palang ano. What's that, Han? Alignment? Is alignment stick. And meron pa, what's that one? That two there, Sak. Meron pang dalawa dun, oh. The blue one. Ayan, nagbihis na ang baby ko. Nag-ano na siya, naghilamos. Yes, baby. Oh, nagpapalam pa siya kung pwede niya yun ipantulog. Yes, ba? But not the leggings, Baba, ha? You're gonna have a shower, Baba.
Not the leggings.
Not, yeah, because you dance with that. It's, oh, no, don't show it to people. Nanonood ako ng Married at First Sight. And yung mga bata, ayan, tapos na silang maligo. And si Holly, fresh na siya. Ito yung pinili niyang damit kanina. So, i-close na namin yung vlog, guys. And bukas na lang ako mag-exercise. Holly, aray ko.
Sorry, Mommy.
Sakit talaga katawan ko, guys. So, i-close na namin yung vlog. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Ay, si Kuya enjoy pa rin siya sa kanyang baggy. Bye! Bye, guys. Thank you. Good night.